Hello traders. In this video, we are going to be talking about the PipBoxer indicator for MT4. We're going to look at how this oscillator appears in its own sub-window, how it moves between the mapped out range, and what its readings imply for market conditions. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember, I want to allow DLL imports, and there we have it. As you can see, the PipBoxer indicator for MT4 appears in a separate sub-window beneath the main price chart as a single oscillating line. This line moves up and down around a central zero line with a mapped out range visually marked between plus 100 at the top and minus 100 at the bottom of the scale. The current numeric value of the oscillator is displayed at the top left corner of the sub-window, updating in real time as the line moves. In normal conditions, the line swings within the minus 100 to minus 1 to plus 100 band, reflecting shifts between negative and positive momentum. But during strong moves, it can push briefly above the plus 100 or below minus 100, visually signaling momentum that exceeds the typical mapped range before eventually reverting back inside. Right, so we already see how it looks. So let's check out the settings. Alright, our core input here is the PB period, which is the sole adjustable setting for the PipBoxer indicator, and it controls how many bars are used in the internal content calculation of the oscillator. A shorter PB period makes the line more reactive to recent price changes, causing it to move more quickly and potentially swing outside the plus 100 band or the minus 100 band more often, while a longer PB period smooths the line and reduces the frequency of extreme readings. As for who is for, the PipBoxer indicator MT4 is suited to traders who prefer a visual momentum style oscillator that highlights shifts between overbought and oversold conditions around the plus or minus 100 zone. Whether they trade reversals, pullbacks, or simply want a secondary confirmation tool, it is a visual analytical tool only. It does not execute trades or manage positions. Unlike any oscillator, it can remain at extreme values or give early/false indications in strong trends or choppy markets. So traders should always combine it with price action, support and resistance, and sound risk management before making decisions. The download link is in the description below. For the full review, usage tips, and more MT4 indicators, make sure you visit the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future indicator breakdowns.